All right, guys. Hi. So I'm here with my friend Mena. She contacted me because she's starting a business that you guys will all learn about shortly. But she contacted me to come into her closet and do a wardrobe edit for her. So today I am here in her beautiful closet. Ah, every woman's dream, right? Yep, jealous. Jealous of me. And we're just gonna clean out everything today to match up with the style that she's really wanting to go for with this new business. It's a great time when you are starting a business or for birthdays or promotions to just kind of amp up your style, go back to your closet, see if everything is the style that you want with this new kind of identity that you have. So that's what we're gonna do today for her. So you guys are getting a behind the scenes look at what she's doing, and you get to follow us throughout the day. So tell everyone some of the things that you're looking for in this new style and this new stage of life for you.
Yeah, so I really want my closet to be more versatile, and I want to keep pieces that I can mix and match, pieces that are not necessarily basic, but pieces that I could style different ways. And there's definitely a lot of clothes in my closet that I don't wear anymore because they're not really my style anymore. I am wanting to do more neutrals and kind of get rid of some color that I really don't wear.
Yeah.
So I just want everything to be a little more simple and more clean cut, and I want to do a more minimalistic type.
Minimalistic. We can do that. I think what you had said when we first talked about this was minimalist edgy. So that's
edgy.
what
That's
we're
what
going for today. So hopefully that can happen. So as you can see, well, I've known Mena for a long time. We met in college. And so her style has drastically changed over the years. You can see that she has a lot of color, a lot of prints, a lot of laces, florals. She's always been gravitated towards things like that. So this whole new kind of revamp and re-imaging and restyling is really going to be different for her. For a lot of the pieces that are colorful, we'll get rid of and see if they can become more edgy. If they can become a little bit more edgy and minimalist, then we'll keep them. But then the other kind of fluff will go.
Okay, guys, so we're starting my closet edit, and Melissa is starting with all my white dresses, and she made a really good point. One of my dresses that I have that's a really good basic, I could actually wear over jeans. I can wear it like as a vest, which I would have never thought to wear it that way. So that is a really good style tip. If you have any dresses that have the buttons all the way down, you can wear it over jeans as a vest.
Especially with like things that are the same color underneath, like having a cream tank underneath this with like a distressed denim and like a boot is really edgy and different, but very clean and modern. So for those of you wondering, today what we're doing in Mena's closet is called the Emily Wardrobe Edit. So basically that's when I come into your closet after talking with you and meeting with you and figuring out some of your wardrobe issues, what style you want to have. I commandeer your closet and we go through every single piece together. We reorganize it, we give you new hangers, and we take out everything that should go. I tell you what should stay, and then we make outfits from everything that's left over. All right, so our no rack is getting quite full. You can see we took out some of her lacy items, some of the items that just were a little, what we've been saying, fluffy.
Frilly.
Because you know that makes sense. Frilly and fluffy with a lot of ruffles, a lot of kind of off the shoulder things we got rid of for her just because they don't fit into her minimalist, edgy, and or neutral. Most of my clients tell me that they only wear 50% of their wardrobe and they don't know what to get rid of. So here's a little tip so that you know exactly what pieces you can afford leaving out of your closet. For pieces that you've already worn, flip the hanger backwards so that kind of marks that you've already worn it. Then at the end of each month, see which pieces are still facing forward, and those are the ones that you can rethink if they should be in your closet or not. All right, Mena, so how are we feeling about some of the things that are on our no rack that we're going to be getting rid of?
So I am a little sad to see some of these go, but I think you nailed it with a lot of these pieces. I actually haven't worn a lot of these in a really long time, and so I'm happy that I'm going to be refreshing my closet with new items that I'll definitely wear more.
Out with the old and with the new, baby. Woo!
All right, get them out of here.